Well, now the frog has set a while. Hopefully we have enough wall thickness. Now I've got to pour the clay back into my big container jar. And then it needs to set upside down a little bit to drain the excess clay.
Are you going to set it on there straight, or are you going to leave it at a bit of an angle?
No, it's going to stay on a bit of an angle right now, mainly because that's just the way the clamps are.
Oh, right. Yeah. And then how long do you think it'll sit after you've drained it? How long until it'll be ready to open?
Probably at least another 15 to 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer.
So this might be a good thing to be doing if you're slip casting. Might be a good thing to do while you're working on other stuff.
Right,
So
and
either you have multiple slip cast or you're working on.
and you want to start early with it because it always seems to take longer than you expect. But hopefully the wall will be thick enough. If not, he will get recycled, and I'll pour another one another day.
So this broken slip, slip that comes out of there, if we rip it, can we recycle it and make new slip?
Oh yeah, we just put it right back in the one of the big gallon jugs and add some water. Maybe have to put a little bit of suspender deflocculant in it to where the clay doesn't require as much water to flow. Other than that, slip casting is relatively simple.
And of course, slip casting, this process that you're demonstrating right here, it's what many people have seen it before if they've gone to one of those paint your own pottery places, or if lots of times we hear about, grandma or my aunt or somebody used to do all this slip casting. And so partly because it's fairly straightforward, you need to know how to do the timing, you need to have a way to fire it, but you don't necessarily need to craft the object very carefully.
Yeah, and because it's slip cast, everything coming out of the mold will be the same. So then it's just a matter of either decoration to make it different, or everybody does the same thing like a bathtub or something like that that's all white.
All right, thank you.